What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Swimming Lessons with Jay Beck. If you tapped into this video, please take about 2 seconds and pause this video and go subscribe. This time around, I had Zay right there working on his arms. That's my dog, that's my best friend, that's Bentley. And right now, we are preparing Zay for the deep end of the pool, which is 8 feet. So we worked on his arms, and now we're working on his kicking. And now we move on to the deep end of the pool. I have Zay to swim and then dog pedal across the deep end of the pool. And as you can see, not all the time do they make it across. As you can see, this time my dog ain't quite make it, and I had to save him. But keep watching. Of course, as always, you're gonna see tremendous improvement. Right here we have a redo. I don't let my swimmers halfway do things or fail. I keep pushing them until they succeed. So right here you can see him dog pedal and swim all the way across to the wall.
Good job.
This was his first attempt at jumping into the deep end. Wasn't as successful as I want it to be, but we'll keep working on it and we gonna fix it, of course.
Don't stop till you get to me. Use your arm. You got 10 seconds on. Come and get you. 1, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7. I'm coming in. I'm coming. Say it's the same thing. 5. Come on, swim.
I always push my swimmers. I don't treat them as kids. I teach them as they are adults, kind of. I don't treat them like babies. I treat them like men. And as you can see, he had his moment, but I'm going to push him and I'm going to make sure that he learns how to swim. And we made it to the short end. But I want y'all to see Zay in this next clip coming up and watch the growth and the improvement over time. This is Zay's last session with me. Right here, I got him to back pedal on his back.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
Or swim on his back, whatever you want
Keep
to call
coming.
it.
Keep
Check him out,
coming.
look like a whole different
Keep coming.
swimmer
Keep
right
going.
here.
On your back. Keep going. Keep going. Now flip
He's
and
swimming
swim
his
to the
back all
shallow
the way
end.
down.
Flip.
And he gonna flip over and swim regularly. Once
There we
again,
go, on your back.
jump
There you
in
go.
off the diving
There
board,
we go.
no crying,
There we
no
go.
hesitation.
There we go.
Jump in, swim on
There
his
we
back,
go.
and then
Now flip
he
over.
flips
Flip.
over
Flip.
and swims regular.
Good,
And now
Zay.
he big dog status.
Good, Zay. Good, we done. Flex on him. Flex on him.
Like that. Thank y'all for tapping in. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, share, subscribe, and God bless.